Welcome to the AKG CBL 201 and 301 commissioning video. In this video, we will discuss the mounting options for the AKG CBL boundary microphones, how to use them, and the different mute modes of the microphones. We will also discuss how to commission multiple CBL series microphones together so that they respond to a mute ring touch event simultaneously. Verify you have the following: a cable stripper tool, a T10 screwdriver to remove the microphone grill and change the microphone's mute mode, and a small flathead screwdriver to tighten the screws found in the Phoenix connectors, also known as Euro blocks or captive screw connectors. The first thing we must decide is which mute mode we want the microphones to operate in. All microphones have 4 mute modes. The default is toggle mute. They also have push to talk, push to mute, and external control mode. Unscrew the 3 retaining screws on the bottom of the microphone to remove the grill and select the desired mute mode with the dip switch. This is the perfect time to set the microphone pickup pattern when configuring the CBL 301. The mic default configuration is 270 degrees. If you need a 360-degree pattern, you will need to move 2 of the mic elements. Once you have selected the mute mode and adjusted the mic elements to your preferred position, replace the microphone grill. There are 2 installation options for the CBL series microphones: fixed and temporary. To install the microphone in a temporary fashion, make sure to route the microphone cable through the microphone path on the bottom of the microphone. Simply place the microphone on the table and route the cable to your DSP. This scenario is useful if there is a need to suit different conference or meeting situations in which the participants may be seated in a way where the microphones would need to be moved. To install the microphone in a fixed fashion, first locate the mounting pole screws and cable path cover included with the microphone. Place the cable path cover into the microphone and make sure that the microphone cable is not routed through the cable path but is hanging freely from the center of the microphone. Next, route the cable through the center of the mounting pole, making sure that the cable is placed through the larger flange side of the mounting pole first. Slide the mounting pole along the microphone cable until it reaches the microphone, and use the 3 mounting pole screws to attach the mounting pole to the base of the microphone. Please make sure that the microphone top is placed on a soft, non-abrasive surface while securing the mounting pole so that the black microphone grill is not scratched or damaged during this process. Our next step will be cutting a hole in the tabletop to place the microphone. To do this, you will need a 7/8 inch hole saw and drill. Once the hole is drilled, simply feed the microphone cable through the hole and place the mounting pole into the hole. When using the CBL 301 configured in a 270-degree pickup pattern, make sure that the cable path plug is pointed directly away from the speaker or seat that will be using the microphone. This is to ensure microphone element placement. Finally, locate the mounting pole tightening nut and feed the microphone wire through it until it reaches the mounting pole. Tighten the nut onto the mounting pole until it secures the microphone to the table. Now that we have installed a microphone, repeat these instructions for any additional microphones that need to be installed. Once the microphones are installed, route their cables to the DSP. To connect multiple microphones' mute actions together, so that when any one mute is activated, all other microphones follow suit, we simply need to connect all brown microphone wires together and connect the black digital I/O ground to the DCP's control ground. For audio connections, please connect channels 1 through 3 or 1 and 2 if using a CBL 201 to the appropriate connections for your mixer. Note that the ground is shared across all channels, and phantom power is required to power the microphones. If you have chosen to use external mute control mode, please see either our connecting to Blue 50 or DCP555 configuration video for specific connections. Once these connections are made and the microphones have been supplied phantom power, simply touch one of the touch rings on any microphone, and all other connected microphones should react to the touch event as well. For more information about the AKG CBL 201 and 301, please visit akg.com. And thanks for watching.